Safety is a critical part of the everyday work environment at precast plants. To ensure it remains a top priority, precast concrete company owners and employees need to stay vigilant at all times and conduct ongoing training. National Precast Concrete Association is committed to providing resources to help precast plants establish a strong safety culture and maintain a safe work environment. This video provides a basic overview of safety considerations in a precast plant. Lockout tagout practices and procedures are measures for controlling hazardous energy sources. Employees must be trained on proper lockout tagout procedures, and all employees must understand what they mean. Affix the appropriate lockout or tagout devices to energy isolating devices and de-energizing machines and equipment. Develop, implement, and enforce an energy control program. Use lockout devices for equipment that can be locked out. Tagout devices may be used in lieu of lockout devices only if special requirements are met. Ensure that lockout tagout devices identify the individual users. Establish a policy that permits only the employee who applied a lockout tagout device to remove it. A confined space is large enough for an employee to enter and perform assigned work. It has limited means for entry or exit and is not designed for continuous employee occupancy. A permit-required confined space meets these requirements but has additional hazards such as the atmosphere, materials within, or shape. Employees shall be informed of all confined spaces by means of information sharing and posted danger signs. Before entry into a permit-required confined space, the plant manager and safety personnel shall evaluate the workspace. Supervisors must inform workers of proper procedures. Upon completion of the briefing, the entry worker, standby attendant, and supervisor must sign and post the permit at the confined space entry point. Upon entry and exit of the confined space, all three must again sign the permit, remove it, and leave the area appropriately. A rescue plan should be developed so the entry worker can be properly and safely rescued. The purpose of machine guarding is to protect employees in the work area from hazards created by nip points, rotating parts, flying chips, and sparks. Machines that expose an employee to injury must be guarded. Guards must not create potential hazards and must be attached to the machine where possible. If guards cannot be attached to the machine, attach elsewhere. The safeguard must prevent hands, arms, and any other part of a worker's body from making contact with dangerous moving parts. The employer must establish an energy control program. This ensures that before any employee performs any servicing or maintenance on a machine or equipment, it is isolated from the energy source and rendered inoperable. All electrical equipment and conductors and the installation of such equipment used to provide electric power and light shall be designed and installed in accordance with the safety standards defined by OSHA. Safety signs, symbols, and accident prevention tags shall be used where required to warn personnel of electrical hazards. All electrical equipment shall be examined and inspected routinely to ensure that no recognizable hazards exist. All electrical equipment shall be listed or labeled and shall be installed and used according to this information. Information regarding the manufacturer, as well as the voltage, current, and wattage, shall be permanently affixed to and readily visible on all electrical equipment. When work is to be performed on or around electrical equipment, guarding and enclosing must occur. A disconnecting means shall be provided and located within sight of the controllers of all motors. Ground fault circuit interrupters shall be installed on all electrical circuits used in conjunction with portable electrical equipment and flexible power cords. All portable electrical equipment shall be protected by ground fault circuit interrupters. Safety in a precast plant requires every employee to be vigilant at all times. Your diligence will ensure not only your safety, but the safety of those you work with.